So after the first vid, I kind of realized that I wasn't really able to show the stainage in this jacket, at least very well. I guess it was the lighting's fault, and partly mine for choosing a poor location in my basement, so I brought it up to some brighter lighting just to give you a bit of an easier way of seeing. So yeah, along the whiter portions, or what's supposed to be white, we've got this kind of tannish brown kind of look going on. It's not like heavily, like deeply stained or anything, but something that maybe like a wash or two might have to have happen there. Then on the back we got that gold fighting Irish. Yeah, extremely fresh. I mean, the embroidery and stuff really still is okay there as well. And we're taking a look at the front. Yep, evidently you can see this is supposed to be bright white and it's not. Yeah, I mentioned in the first vid the zipper version of that. Yeah, that pocket there is the zipper version. Still cool. In fact, I like kind of the zipper, but I like the bigger pattern, like the full spelling on it rather than this. But I like a more centered look here too as well. So that'd be the stainage elaborated on the Notre Dame jackets. Next one. Oh, that didn't work there for me. Second try. Yeah, so that would be the Lions jacket, second time now. So over here it does, not sure if it's showing up, it's not bright white, it's got like a little bit of browning in there. You can see, I think, yeah, definitely up close you can tell that there's some more stainage. One of the most very clear spots is the collar here. You can see a lot of the brownage and stainage going on in there, and then let's see on the silver, it's very apparent. And you can see over here on the stripes now, it's a little easier to tell the major browning on the silver and the white especially. Even though that seems to be the issue, there's also some problems, I'd say, in the blue itself. I mean, we got some smaller stains going on over here in the top. And got some smaller stains, along the in-between lines there and stuff, so yeah, it's definitely not in perfect condition. I never boasted that, so I was getting this jacket, but definitely in good condition. I mean, yeah, the zipper's missing on the other one, but still wearable and stuff, so I mean, the insulation, I mean, the interior looks fine. Like, I don't see any stainage in that, so far so good. So yeah, that would be the extended viewing, I guess, extended showcase of the 4 pictures of these jackets. So, yeah, I'll be back soon, hopefully, with a midpoint or mid-process update on how these look after a few washes. Take care.